Alright, I was just on vacation, and on the way, we had to stop and try and hunt in the wild to find something different. So we got the text sticker collection here of white flare. Let's see what we get. I did crack at it a little bit because I was thinking to open some at the Lil Wayne concert we were just at, but I decided not to. What is going on here? And once again, Nurkadurka69 messing up the pack opening. Holy shit, they really don't play with these anymore. Things like this used to pop right open. Alright, let's see. We've got one, I believe 3 packs, 2, and 3. We've got the sticker collection of the Evolution line there. And then we've also got this beautiful promo card.
I see. It's so cool.
Everyone likes a black star.
Yeah.
There it is, code card. Let's get this bad boy in a sleeve real quick. Try not to ruin it. Today I've got my daughter here watching as I open some packs, try to teach her the game. Teach her, how we do it here. 3 packs. Let's see what happens. You want to open a pack? Alright, let's see. Let's save one here for my wife. That one's hers. Oh my gosh, I need to get myself some scissors or something. Oh, sorry guys. Code card. One to the front. Let's guess steel. Fighting. One day I'll get a guess right. We got Scraggy, Basculin, Panseer, Shelmet, Sharon, Solbuck, Orkin, Gigalith, Reverse Hollow. Oh! Look at that Terrakion. Oh my goodness. Illustration rare. That's fire. Yeah, that's a cool one.
Yep.
Sleeve that right on up. Well, 1 pack, 1 hit. Can't really be too mad at that. Let's get into number 2 here, and then my wife's going to take the finale with the last pack. Code card. I'm a little shaky because got a hit out of a freaking 3-pack. So far, haven't had too much good luck with, oh, forgot to guess the energy. Haven't had much luck with the white flare black bolt packs. Woobat, Scraggy, Garbodor. Wow, I like that art. Sock, Simisear, Panseer Pokeball. Let's go. Oshawott. If I get one more of these. Oh man, I'm gonna lose it. Wifey up with the last pack. Let's see what we get.
This is gonna be so good.
2 hits out of 1 3-pack, not too bad. I definitely recommend the text sticker collection if anybody's interested. Ooh. Okay.
Oh,
Small.
that's me.
Oh, another Pokeball. Nice!
Da-da-da-da!
So cool.
Jellicent. Is that a secret? Yep, secret illustration rare. Beautiful. Holy crap, my baby's got the hot hands. I transferred him over. Now she's pulling all the hits instead of me.
Yeah. He's so good, Mommy.
Well, you seen it, guys. Not a bad pack. Please sub if you like the content.